Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s plus b because we have s. So I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this one you got number 1, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0, this one we have number 1. So this one we change for u, s we change for u minus b, the s we change for the u. So this one we can put like this. Now we have the formula in here. So u that is about capital A minus B that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So sine u divided by sine u, cosine u divided by sine u, we keep the same. This one you got number 1. So the interpretation of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of sine u. This one that is about the constant, so you got u in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.